everybody, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel for the last day of 31 days of Halloween. If you're new here or just stopping by, I'm just uploading a different Halloween makeup look all 31 days in October, and it is October 31st. I am so sorry if you guys can hear my baby out in the living room. She's having a fit. But happy Halloween, everyone. It is October 31st officially. This is my last installment. I wanted to do a sugar skull because this is the Day of the Dead. You know, it all full circle. It all ties in. So I'm gonna stop rambling. Make sure if you like the video, you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it, guys. guys, so that completes the final day of 31 days of Halloween. I know this video is going up late. I'm so sorry, but better late than never. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. This was actually pretty easy to do. I did mess up a few times, but I mean, no one's perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And tomorrow, November 1st, I will be uploading a video at 2 p.m. Central Time talking about my 200 subscriber giveaway. I can't believe we're there already, but make sure you subscribe and, you know, turn on the little notification bell so you don't miss my giveaway video and all my other fun stuff I upload. All right, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.